how are you today? I'm fine, thank you. I thought what better way to write a letter to Santa Claus than in a nice Christmas card. For this card, we will need red and white polka dot construction paper. If you don't have polka dot construction paper, it's okay. Just take red construction paper, dip your finger in white paint, and start making polka dots. From there, we will also need beige, brown, and shiny red paper for Rudolph's nose. We will also need a little bit of ribbon to make a nice bow for Rudolph. To begin, I've already cut out Rudolph's head, and let's glue it on. I'm using a generous amount of glue, and I'm going to glue it right about in the center of our card. From there, I've taken my brown construction paper, folded it in half, traced, and cut out the antlers. I'm using again a generous amount of glue. And there goes one antler. And one more. And the second one. Just like so. To continue, we need to cut out Rudolph's red nose. I decided to use shiny paper. If you don't have any, it's fine. Just use regular red construction paper. You can even put some red glitter on top. Oops. Again, I'm going to use some glue. And down goes our nose, like so. Nice. So I'm going to continue with two little black eyes. With our marker, I'm going to simply make two circles, and I'm going to color them right in. Like so. But something's still missing. So let's add our pretty bow. With our ribbon, I made a nice bow. You can either make it as a bow tie or a bow on top. I thought, let's decorate his antlers and make a nice bow on top. And he's ready. All you need to do now is simply write your letter to Santa, and you can send it right in. I hope you enjoyed our craft today, and have a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Have a lovely day. Bye.